Hola mis amigas, hello and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing so well. So by the title of the video, you guys already know that I will be sharing with you guys how I'm going to clean my laundry room. So if you are new here, you have never seen my laundry rooms before, welcome, and I hope you guys like it. And I want to be straight up honest with you guys, mis amigas, that I don't have anything fancy like any of those Amazon containers or those containers, clear containers where you store all of your soaps dispenser, whatever they're called. As you guys can see, I am seriously a simple, straight up person that is not aesthetic on this area, but I just try my best. And I seriously just work with what I have because I just have to say that I had just realized that I just need to use what I have and stop spending money on unnecessary things and that don't benefit me in this moment right now. So I know in the future I will be, you know, changing plans and here and there, but right now my main focus is right now focusing on the present and like I said, just working on what I have. So with that being said, mis amigas, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and I don't even know how long this video is going to be, but I really hope you guys stay till the end and watch the whole set of it. So yeah, mis amigas, disfruten and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I clean my laundry area. I like to get this area right here. You guys can really see, but above my head, literally there's like a shelf that I am too short for it, I must say, but I have to do what I gotta do and kind of use my Swiffer. As you guys know that I love my Swiffer. My Swiffer is my best friend and I use her everywhere and everywhere that I can reach because she is the best thing ever. And she is so great for like the walls and getting in between crevices and stuff like that. And like I said, she's the best thing ever. If you guys don't have a Swiffer, I highly recommend you guys using it because you guys can use it literally anywhere around the house. So in this area, I am just dusting away the top of my washers and dryers, and then afterwards I'm going to be using this disinfecting spray that I made myself and just clean it over with. But like I said, mis amigas, it's been a while that I've been put my hands in here and kind of cleaned this little area, but I'm so glad that I did it today because it really needed it. was filming this video, I was thinking to myself, I was like, oh my gosh, it's been seriously a while that I have not filmed a video for you guys. Like seriously, I think it was like 6 days from today, but I shouldn't be counting how many days I have filmed for you guys, but just kind of going with the flow and kind of videotaping things around my house that I do. But yeah, mis amigas, I want to end up sharing with you guys some stuff that I do, like, like shop with me and things that I found at like the thrift store, because I know my daughter and I love going to the thrift store and we find a lot of good stuff, and I want to continue on and sharing these videos with you guys. But please let me know down below if you guys are interested in these kind of videos, and also other videos that you guys have in mind and you want me to share, because my main goal here is to share with you guys how I clean my space. But I'm open with anything, mis amigas, and I want to hear you guys out and just make you guys happy, because this is what I like to do, and plus it makes me happy as well. Okay, mis amigas, so right here what I'm doing right now is just filling my fancy container, my OxyClean, and I just leave the extras above my head and that shelving up there, and kind of just refill this bucket that's right in front of me. And like I said, mis amigas, I don't have anything fancy. I just go with the flow and just work with what I have, just because I feel like at times there's no need for us to be spending so much money, like I said in the beginning of this video, and not necessarily just in here, but just throughout your house. Like, think about it. If you don't need the items, don't buy it, because the more that you have, the more accumulated things you guys will have. And trust me, I've been there and I'm still struggling, mis amigas, having so much things scattered around the house, because it makes me so stressed and I just feel so overwhelmed. And just thinking about it right now, it just makes me like, oh, like, I don't know, like I just want to, like, oh, I'm not too, I don't know, but I just feel so stressed and overwhelmed, because I know that the stack of clothing is there, or toys, or the clutter is just there. But like I said, I am just working on it, and I know you guys can do the same thing. But yeah, mis amigas, I really hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I did filming it for you guys. And I cannot believe you guys stayed here for so long and hung out with me. But I really, really do appreciate you guys all and all the love and support. And I just cannot believe that we're over almost to 400 subscribers. And this is just so crazy to me. I want to have this as a memory and celebrate every little baby step that I have, because I know I have a good future coming along the way. And yeah, mis amigas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And yeah, mis amigas, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys that I'm gonna be cleaning the doors, and then show you guys how I left off the laundry room. And to you guys, it will probably think that I didn't clean anything, but for me, I did a huge difference, just because I had to dust and disinfect this little room here. So yeah, mis amigas, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.